Just amazing kids. If you could bottle their positivity, we'd all be better for it.
The big challenge in the competition has become picking 5.
From Loretto Secondary School in Balbriggan in Dublin. Now to another Loretto from Loretto Secondary School in Fermoy, County Cork. From Ferrybank in Kilkenny, Abbey Community College. Gloucester Pobble in Roscrea, Tipperary. From St Angela's College in Cork. Give them a big round of applause. We're going to have a little panel discussion.
188 groups applied last September, October time, and to whittle them down to 5 is a very challenging task.